It begins here, in the raw, windswept highlands,
where the world's finest merino wool is grown.
Each animal carries a year's growth of premium fiber.
The harvest is a skilled, centuries-old craft. Speed and care preserve the precious fleece in one piece. This single fleece will become part of many coats.
Imperfections are removed by hand.
Graded by experts for its ultimate destiny.
Compressed for its journey across the world.
The raw material begins its voyage. From remote pastures to industrial precision. Every mile adds to its story.
The first transfer point.
Entering the global supply chain.
Sealed for its ocean crossing.
The journey by sea begins. The journey by sea begins.
Bound for the factory, where it will be transformed.
Weeks pass on the ocean.
Arriving at its final port. From ship to road.
Afternoon, Sam. Got the manifest right here.
Thanks, Mike. Everything looks to be in order.
Access is granted.
Secured for unloading.
The precious cargo arrived.
Entering the system. Entering the system.
Logged and sampled for verification.
Awaiting its turn on the line.
A monument to modern manufacturing. A new shift begins.
Where art meets industry.
The process is laid out, step by step. Prepared for precision.
Where the wool's factory life begins.
Releasing the compressed fibers.
Beginning the purification process.
Blending for consistency.
Airborne to its next stage.
The first wash removes years of natural lanolin and dust.
Centrifugal force removes the water.
Gently dried to preserve softness.
Combing each fiber into parallel formation. Forming the first continuous strand. The prepared wool converges. The bath awaits the wool. Impregnated with lasting color.
And again,
Restored to perfect alignment.
Drawing out imperfections, blending for uniformity.
Adding the first hint of twist, creating roving.
Where fiber becomes yarn, the heart of the process.
Miles of perfect, ready yarn.
Every parameter is verified.
Achieving flawless continuity. Preparing the vertical threads, the warp. Interlacing threads at blinding speed.
Human eyes ensure perfection.
The fabric is born, but not yet finished. Where fabric gains its final hand and character. The ancient process of fulling, now precisely controlled.
Brushing up a luxuriously soft surface.
Shearing for a flawlessly smooth finish.
Steam sets the memory of the wool.
Technology gives the final approval.
Prepared for the cutter's knife.
Digital patterns replace paper and chalk.
Laying the canvas for creation.
Cutting dozens of coats in a single pass.
Maintaining perfect order. Each coat's components gathered by robot. Born with a digital identity.
The nervous system of the factory.
foundations are fused for structure.
Technology creates hidden, waterproof seams.
The art of the tailor's hand remains irreplaceable.
Every stitch is measured by laser.
The hidden interior, crafted with equal care.
The pieces become a whole. Final touches are applied by human hands.
Steam and pressure create form.
Even the buttons are secured by automation.
Phase 9 compliance is at 99.8%.
Excellent. We can move to validation testing.
Every inch is scrutinized.
Proving its defiance of the elements. The color is locked in for life. Groomed to perfection. A final baptism of light and air. Swaddled for its journey to a new home. The option of personal identity. Crafted packaging for a crafted product. Secured against the world. The modern archive, waiting for dispatch. A digital call summons the physical product.
Mission accomplished.
The cycle is complete, ready to begin anew.
The craftsmen and women depart, their work done.
The factory's digital heart beats on.
A fortress of modern creation, resting. Its value, now realized in the world.
Passing into the care of its owner.
Living its purpose.
Connecting the Highland shepherd to the city dweller.
And so it begins again.
This is the story of wool, driven by human skill. And the rhythm of machines.
A place of creation, now at peace. This is the legacy of the process.
Quality is never an accident.
It is the result of intelligent effort.
And this is how modern factories produce the world's finest wool coats from start to finish.